Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to turn off Bullock pop-ups on Safari. Why would you want to know how to turn off Bullock pop-ups on Safari? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to turn off Bullock pop-ups on Safari. So today I am going to show you how to turn off Bullock pop-ups on Safari. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning off block pop-ups on Safari is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will turn off block pop-ups on Safari. First of all, open settings in your iPhone and now first scroll down this page until we found Safari and then type on it. And then again scroll down this page and now here is my block pop-ups option. And now for turning it off, just click on toggle button and now your block pop-ups has been turned off. So there you go. If you were wondering how to turn off block pop-ups on Safari, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.